Hi, I'm Toshi. Today, I'm sleepy because we updated our application. Hey, did you update it? If you didn't, you should do this. Okay, today I'm going to tell you the what's new. The first one, both losers could earn the Bitcoin too. If you lose, and can you see the pop-up? Even if you lose, you can watch ads and get Bitcoins. So just push watch ads and you can get 10 Satoshi. Then one more thing. No, actually two more things. The first one, we launched missions. Can you see missions? If you push it, you can see the 3 missions. If you complete it, you can earn the 10 more Satoshis. It's easy, just 1 minute I guess. Just vote and watch ads and Pita jackpot entry, that's it. You should do this. And the last one is most important thing for me. Can you see the here? Like notification. You can see the many notification from our company. Yes, my YouTube. And also the like about bug fix and about updates, many things. And also many campaigns, so you should watch every day. You should see every day. That is 3 important updates. And also tomorrow, I'm going to answer your questions. I already picked up the 10 questions. So please wait for tomorrow. See you.